I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want the cleanest base. Detangle from ends to roots because smooth hair grips better and avoids snags. Once done, gather hair into a low or mid ponytail with an elastic, only 1/2 turn to hold but not compress. Make sure hair is evenly distributed in the band. This prevents lopsided bulk. If you want lift, leave a 1-2 inch tail out of the band. This sets tension for the claw to lock in place. With the ponytail as your base, twist the length upward into a firm coil. Twisting creates a compact shape that the claws can hold. Next, open the claw and place it at the nape, teeth toward the scalp. This orientation bites hair rather than sliding. While holding pressure, wrap the coil against your head and clamp evenly so both sides engage. Make sure ends are tucked under the coil. That prevents loose strands and keeps the silhouette tidy. After clipping, check balance by tilting your head. If one side slips, reopen slightly and reposition the coil more centrally, then reclamp. Make sure the clip's teeth catch both underlayers and top layers. This distributes weight so it won't droop. If hair feels heavy, add 1 or 2 bobby pins at pressure points or use a second claw stacked above the first. Troubleshooting tip: if it still slides, try a slightly drier grip. Damp hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.